Let's create a trending AI video today. First, take a look at this YouTube channel. As you can see, it has 5.12 million subscribers and the channel is fully monetized. According to the available estimates, it's earning around $11.1, $11,000, $12,000 per month, which is an impressive income. Now look at the views: 2.2 million, 4.7 million, 400K, and many more videos with millions of views. This is a highly successful and trending channel, and the best part is that you can create videos in a similar style, completely for free. In this tutorial, I'll show you everything step by step: how to generate the story, AI voice, AI images, AI videos, and edit everything into a professional, trending video. If you're new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and like this video so you never miss future tutorials on creating viral and trending AI content. Now, let's get started and learn how to create trending AI videos from scratch. First, open ChatGPT. Once you open it, you will see something like this. The first prompt is the green prompt. Simply copy the Pro Green, Pro Vision channel My Link prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Next, open the YouTube channel whose style of videos you want to create. For example, I'll open this channel because I want to create videos similar to it. Copy one or two links from that channel and paste them into ChatGPT. Once you do that, ChatGPT will analyze the channel. After that, copy and paste both red prompt and red prompt 212 together with the green prompt. As soon as you submit the prompts, ChatGPT will automatically edit everything for you. It will generate a 150-word story and then create scene-by-scene 3D cartoon image prompts. It will also generate 7 image prompts and 7 matching video prompts step by step. If you want more scenes, simply replace the number 7 in the prompt with 10, 15, 20, or any number you prefer. You can generate as many images as you want. Later, I'll also show you how to create a large number of AI videos quickly and easily. For this tutorial, I'll use 7 scenes, but you're free to create as many as you like. As you can see, my image prompts and video prompts are now ready. Now let's create the images. For image generation, I use Flow Labs. It's an excellent website for creating high-quality AI images. Simply copy each image prompt and paste it into Flow Labs. As soon as you paste the prompt, it will start generating the first image. I've already created many images and videos with this platform, including my previous video. You can see that I've generated plenty of images and videos here. Now I'll show you the results from the first 2 red prompts. Here's the image generated from the first prompt. It's incredibly detailed and looks amazing. Now let's look at the second prompt, and you can see that it has also produced an excellent result. In the same way, simply copy and paste all of your prompts one by one. Your images will start generating automatically, and the results are truly impressive. As you can see, the images are generated in HD and high quality, making them perfect for creating professional AI videos. Now let's move on to the first website we'll use for creating AI videos. The website is Pop Video AI. It's an amazing platform for generating high-quality 3D AI videos. Let me show you how you can create 12 to 13 AI videos with it. First, open the website. Once it's loaded, you'll see an interface like this. As you can see, it's a fantastic tool for AI video generation. Right now, I have 200 credits in my account. Each AI video costs 15 credits, so with 200 credits, you can create around 13 videos using a single email account. Next, click on Create. Upload the image you generated earlier and paste the matching video prompt. As soon as you paste the prompt, the video generation will begin. Simply repeat the same process. Upload the image, copy and paste the prompt, and let the AI generate your videos one by one. As you can see, I still have 155 credits remaining, while 3 videos have already been generated successfully. The quality of the results is excellent, with smooth animation and impressive visuals. Once your videos are ready, simply click the download button to save them to your device. That's how easy it is to create professional AI videos using Pop Video AI. Now, let me show you the second website we'll use to create even more AI videos. Now let's move on to the second website we'll use for creating AI videos. The website is Flow Labs. Yes, Flow Labs is another excellent platform for generating high-quality AI videos. Open the website, and as you can see, I already have many images created here. To generate a video, simply click on Animate. You can either create a new image or upload the image you generated earlier. After uploading the image, type "Animate this image," and then paste your video prompt into the prompt box. Within a short time, the AI will start generating your video. As you can see, the video is now complete. The result is outstanding, with smooth animation and excellent HD quality. Now, you might be wondering what to do if your credits run out. Flow Labs provides 50 free credits for each email account. As you can see below, I have several browsers installed, such as Firefox, Safari, and Chrome, each signed in with different email accounts. If one account runs out of credits, simply open another browser or sign in with another email account. Upload your image again, paste the same prompt, and click Animate. After a short wait, your video will be generated once again. As you can see, the final result is sharp, high quality, and looks amazing in HD. You can use this same method to generate as many AI images and videos as you need. Now all of our AI videos are ready, and we're ready to move on to the next step. Now it's time to generate the AI voice. The website I use is Unlimited AI. I recommend this website in almost every tutorial because it's completely free to use. As you can see, I'm not even logged in, and the website is still available for free. All you need to do is open the website. If you can't find it, just ask me for the website name. Next, copy the 150-word story that ChatGPT generated for you and paste it into the text box. After that, select the Blaze voice, choose the storytelling voice style, and then click Generate Voice. Within a few seconds, your AI voiceover will be ready. Now let's listen to the result. As you can hear, the voice sounds natural, clear, and professional.
Peacefully among colorful flowers and glowing plants. Every morning, they explored the forest, searching for new wonders. One day, they did.
Great! Our AI voiceover is now ready. Now let's move on to the final step, editing the complete video. Now for the final step, editing the video. Open CapCut and import all of the AI videos you created into a new project. Once you've added all the clips, arrange and adjust them in the correct order. After that, don't forget to click on Animation. This step is very important. Go through the available animation effects and choose the ones that look best for your video. CapCut offers many great effects, so feel free to experiment and use the ones you like the most. The better your transitions and effects, the more professional and engaging your final video will look. Small editing improvements can make a big difference in the overall quality of your content. As you can see, our video is now complete and looks amazing. The result is smooth, high quality, and ready to upload. Finally, export the video in the highest quality available. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to the YouTube channel so you never miss future AI video tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.